Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve LeetCode's database problem, which is 570 managers with at least 5 direct reports. Question is, write a solution to find manager with at least 5 direct reports. Return the result in table in any order. The result format is in following example. We have a table, employee table, with employee ID, name, department and manager ID. And what they need is a manager, that is from this column, having more than 5 reporters. So basically they need these managers having more than 5 reporters. So let's move to approach. We will first take a count of manager ID from this column, that is manager ID, and check if count is greater than or equal to 5. Let me just quickly verify if it is at least 5. Okay, so it should be 5. Then once we have manager ID, what we can do is we can just do select name where manager ID is equal to manager ID from above query, which is more count is more than equal to less than or greater than or equal to 5. So let me first do it in the step by step order, that is we will take first query first. So select manager ID from employee. Now we will need count of manager ID as well. So count count of star, because we need rows with manager ID, not the other way around. And let me group it by manager ID. Now if we run it, let me just have it as count. If I run it, you can see now we have manager ID which is null and a manager ID 101 with count 5. Now what we can do is having clause having this count greater than or equal to 5, and where manager ID is not null. Let me quickly run it. Now if you see, we have 101, that is this one, and with manager ID with count of manager, that is 5. Now we can just quickly remove this part, this is not required, and wrap everything in a query. Select name, because we need name, from employee where ID in. I guess yeah, it is working. So we can just rename it this thing. Okay, so everything is fine. Let me just submit it. And it worked. Great. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.